Welcome to Gulf Medical University's Moodle tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to create a Turnitin assignment on Moodle. First, log into Moodle and navigate to the course where you want to add the assignment. Then, click Turn Editing on in the top right corner of your course page. Next, click Add an activity or resource. From the list, select Normal Assignment and click Add. Now, give your assignment a name and description. This is what students will see, so be clear and concise. Now, let's configure the Turnitin plagiarism plugin settings to ensure the assignment is properly checked for originality. Start by setting Enable Turnitin to Yes. Next, choose whether to display similarity reports to students. If you want students to see their Turnitin scores, select Yes. For Store Student Papers, you can choose whether submissions should be stored in Turnitin's repository. Select Standard Repository if you want future submissions to be compared with these. Make sure to check at least one of the Check Against options. Stored Student Papers, Internet Sources, Journals, Periodicals, and Publications. All three are recommended for a comprehensive similarity check. Under Report Generation Speed, select the second option. Generate reports immediately. Students can resubmit until the due date. This setting allows students to view their similarity report shortly after submission and gives them the opportunity to revise and resubmit their work if the plagiarism percentage is high up until the assignment's due date. All other options you can choose depending on your assessment criteria. Finally, if you have a grading rubric prepared in Turnitin, you can attach it using the Attach a Rubric option or launch the Rubric Manager to create or select one. That completes the Turnitin settings. Once done, scroll down and click Save to finalize your assignment. Once the assignment is set up and students have submitted their work, faculty can access the submissions by clicking on View All Submissions within the assignment. Here, you'll see a list of student submissions along with a Turnitin similarity percentage displayed in the Turnitin column. To review a submission in detail, simply click on the similarity score. This will open the Turnitin Feedback Studio, where you can view matched content, assess the originality of the work, and compare it against sources from the internet, publications, and previously submitted papers. That's it. Your Turnitin assignment is now ready. For any help, please contact the e-learning center. Thank you for watching.